Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and taking care of yourself at home. I'm Dhanashri back again, and today, instead of continuing with the next chapter, we will solve book exercise. So don't rush to take a book, okay? Just see the video carefully. I will provide you PDF, okay? So you can complete your exercise once you have seen this video by yourself, or if you have any doubt you will have the PDF version of this. Okay, so see the video carefully. A dash is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. This in class 5th we have seen that program is a set of instructions. So the correct answer is program. The development of computer language can be classified into how many categories? 4 categories. We have seen it. First generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. Dash language consists of binary numbers. Machine language consists of binary number. Dash language uses simple English words and mathematical operators. High level language will use English words and mathematical operators, whereas machine language 0 and 1 and assembly language mnemonic codes. So the correct answer is high level. Dash uses mnemonic codes or symbols. Assembly language. In binary language 0 means off, 1 means on. Okay. In binary language two numbers are used, 0 and 1. And what are the meanings? 0 means off, 1 means on. Dash is the world's fastest supercomputer. It is Sunway Tehulite. It is made in China. Dash computers are also called personal digital assistants. I have explained this already, that your mobile is your personal digital assistant. And what kind of computer mobile is? It is handheld. So the handheld computers are also called personal digital assistants. Mobiles, tablets, all are handheld devices. And Dash has a computer hardware with software embedded into larger devices. Embedded system. That means take an example of washing machine. Washing machine has some hardware part and one program embedded, and it is a larger device. Okay, so it is embedded system. A dash translates high level language program into machine language. The language processor or a language translator will translate it. So the correct answer is language processor. Machine language is the only language that computer understand. This is true, right? Computer only understand machine language. So whatever language you are using, if it is not a machine language, that program should be converted into machine language. Assembly language is regarded as the first generation language. No, assembly language is the second generation and binary language is the first generation. That's why this statement is false. And the correction is, you will cut assembly and you will write binary or machine. Each programming language has its own specific rules. See, language, whether it is computer language or the language you speak, it has some rules. So this statement is also true. A compiler converts line by line. Is it true? No, na? Compiler converts whole program at once. What is the correction? You will cut a compiler. You will write an interpreter. The high level language program has to be converted into the machine language by the translator program. It is true, because high level language computer does not understand and computer only understand machine language. So whatever language, whatever program, if it is not in machine language, that program should be converted into machine language so that computer can understand it. Programming is the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language. It is true. Machine language uses mnemonic codes. Does machine language uses mnemonics? No. Machine language uses 0 and 1. So which language uses mnemonic codes? Assembly language. So the correct answer is assembly. embedded systems are equipped with touch screens. It is false. They are not equipped with touch screens. A game console can also be connected to a television or a computer. It's true. A computer can easily understand high level language. Computer will never understand high level language. High level language should be translated into machine language. So this statement is false. And the correction is high level, you have to cut high level and there you will write binary or machine. First one is type of computer used for weather forecasting. So for weather forecasting or for satellite development or for military areas, the system or the computer should be very advanced and very fast. Okay. So which is the fastest and which is the most powerful computer? Supercomputer. So supercomputer is used for weather forecasting. Now, which type of computers do Indian Railways use to interact with the customers for the booking and cancellation of tickets? Now, there are more than 200 users which book tickets daily or at the same time on Indian Railway website. So more than 200 users, that means mainframe computer. So booking and cancellation of tickets, online shopping, or the areas where more than 200 users get connected with the single system, in that case mainframe computers are used. Sumit is trying his hand at Java programming, but he does not know which type of language it is. Help him to solve his query. So languages, they are classified into 4 categories. First level, second level, third level and the fourth one. Okay. First generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. So first generation is machine 1. Okay. Machine or binary. Second generation is assembly, and in third generation simple English words or and mathematical operators are used. So in Java simple English and mathematical operators are used. So Java is high level or third generation language. A program written in assembly language is called, now see, whatever program you will write which is not in machine language, that program must be translated. So the program which you are writing and which is not in machine language, that program is called as source program. So correct answer is source program. Whether it is in assembly, whether it is in high level language, it is known as source program. And dash converts high level program line by line. Line by line means always interpreter, and whole program at once compiler. So the correct answer, it's line by line, that's why interpreter. Next, the program converted into machine language by the translator is called dash. So the translated program, that means that program is not understood by the computer and that program is translated into machine language. So they are asking the converted machine language program. So when the translator converts the program into machine language, that converted program is called object code. Okay, so the correct answer is object code. Next one, laptops usually have dash inch screen, that is 13 to 15 inch screen. Dash are used in homes. Whenever the word homes, schools, shops are used, then microcomputer is the correct answer. Why microcomputer? Because microcomputers are used for our personal use. Okay. First one, moving a file or folder means shifting it from its dash to another location. Whenever you will shift anything, whether it is file or any object, you change it from its source location to destination location. So the correct answer is source. Source means original location. Destination means the location which you have changed. Dash option is used to change the name of a file or folder. Rename option. You can find a file and folder by typing the keyword in the dash at the top of every window. So at the top of every window there is one search box where you will type the folder or a file or anything which you want to search. So the correct option is search box. Two wildcard characters are question mark and star. A dash is a standard way of encoding information in a computer file. Correct answer is file format. Different file has different format. Like format of document file is different. It is .docx. Format of music file is different. It is .mp3 or .wav. Okay. First one, to select a consecutive group of files, click on the control key. So this statement is false. Consecutive files means shift key. Non-consecutive files means control key. So what correction you will do? You will cut control and you will write shift. Shift plus delete key combination deletes a file and folder permanently. It is true. What do you mean by permanently? Permanently means when you delete any file and folder, that file and folder moves to recycle bin. But if you use shift plus delete key combination, that file will not move to recycle bin. So this statement is true. In Windows 10, we can only display two windows at a time. The statement is false. Now what is the correction? You will cut only two and there you will write more than one. More than one, it might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 4. The sound files have the extension .mp3. It is true. Next one is false. Why it is false? Because star is always for more than one character, and if you want to match a single character, we will always use question mark. So you will cut star.docs. You will write question mark .docs. Next one, application based questions. Neeta wants to locate a file that she had saved in her computer. She doesn't remember the exact name. So if you don't remember exact name, you will always use wildcard characters, star and question mark. Ria wants to listen to music while searching some information over internet. Which option should she choose to work with both applications simultaneously? That means she want to see more than one window at a time. So to see more than one window at a time, we will right click on the taskbar and there is an option show windows side by side. So she will use show windows side by side. Multiple choice question 1. To copy multiple non-adjacent files and folder. So if you want to copy or if you want to select files and folders which are consecutive, we will use shift key, and non-consecutive, that means non-adjacent, we will use control key. So first answer is control key. Second, which character you will use to locate the file if you don't know exact name of a file. So if you don't know exact name and you only remember a part of a file name, we will always use wildcard character. Okay. Now the question mark is for single character and star is for more than 1 or 0 character. Which file extension is used for music files? So the music files, it is always mp3, .mp3 or .wav. Okay. Application that displays the hard disk drive, CD, DVD, removable devices and network locations. So everything, whatever is there inside your computer, you can see it in File Explorer. Whether any mobile you connect with computer using USB or you connect pen drive, all these details or all these files which are there inside this, you can use File Explorer to get the details of everything which is there inside your computer, whether it is network, everything. So shortcut key is Windows key plus E, or click on search box there, write down File Explorer. Thank you my students. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe and miss you all.